So, welcome you all to the first lecture of the Revit tutorial. And trust me guys, this lecture is not going to be that lecture in which we teach you that this is move command, this is copy command, this is rotate command. Trust me guys, this is going to be very interesting lecture series of approximately 10 to 15 videos in which you will learn a complete project report from starting, that is drafting, to representation in front of any senior or anyone. So we have the two Revit version, that is Revit 2024 and Revit 2019. The basic difference is that if you work in the Revit 2024, then that file can only be opened in 2024 version of Revit or in the higher version. If you are working in Revit 2024 and you are sharing to the file to your friend, and your friend has the Revit 2023 or 22 or 2019 version, then they cannot open that file in 2019. So I am working in here in 2019 version of Revit, so that if I share the file with you, then you can also open, and download link will be provided in the description box. So first thing we have to understand, first lecture is going to be introduction video, that in this video we will see the interface of Revit, and from next video onwards we will directly work on a project. Directly work on a project means we handle a project, or we will start a project, and in that project we will learn each and every command. The benefit of that is we can directly learn where this command is to be applied, where that command is to be applied. So just this is the file, this is the opening interface of Revit, in which the project open and new families are, if you are aware of AutoCAD, then in AutoCAD you are creating a block, and then that block is loaded in the project. In the same way, you create a family here. That means here is the sample architectural family, that is the table. Someone has created this table as a block in Revit, and this table is loaded in your project. So the family work you have understand, and here are the two, open and new. Open, you can see that if you have already, so just go to browse construction default and open, and just click OK. After few seconds of opening the Revit interface, you will see the two browsers, that is the two template. One is the project template and second is the project browser. We will learn each and everything in detail in first video, so that we can work easily on our next upcoming project. So this is the architecture tab, in which all the architectural related materials or working tools we have provided, that is the door, window, column, roof, etc, etc. In the structural, all the tools are related to structures. Steel is added in 2019 version of Revit, so this is the steel related. And system you have to fabricate, that is the MEP project, mechanical, electrical and plumbing set tool is here in the system. In insert tab, you can insert a image and PDF, link, CAD file, etc. Annotate is the dimensioning, numbering and the annotations. Analyze means you have to load case boundary. Meshing of the site, that is site related component. Collaborate means if you have to share this file with your company members and the collaboratives, so that you can collaborate with them. View management, and this is the most important tool in the Revit, that is modify. In modify, if you are creating a wall here, that is just go to click on wall and create a wall here, and if you select the wall, then the modify tool is open. In this modify tool, you can edit this wall, the wall you have created, just you can edit in modify. This is not just only for wall, you can edit anything, that is door, window, column, beam, plinth beam, anything, that is paint also you can edit in the modify tab. So this is most important tab. This is the introduction videos, so we will learn in the next video in detail. And add scene, if you are installing anything, means any plugin from the Autodesk account and any third-party application, then these all are reflected here. So just in this video we will understand the basic interface of Revit. You are opening a Revit, and just imagine you have not given any project browser, project tool interface. So what is this? What means you are seeing this now? What is this? So in this video we will learn about this. So in architecture tab, you can see the wall architecture related tool, and in this you can also see the arrow button. The Autodesk company has not done that area. If your screen is larger than this, then this is also expanded in this all. if you minimize your screen, so this is all is compressed, all are here but these all are compressed. So just enlarge it and see, this is a panel which is kept empty, but Autodesk company is not the full one, na? There is a important reason to keep this panel empty. Why this is empty? So if you are working in any tool, just imagine you are clicking the wall here. So just see, your green yani modify panel is opened here. In green video, in green color, your modify tool is open. So this is your modify tool and this is your height level, in which level you are working. So just it. And if your project template and project browser is missing, so just go to the view tab and click user interface here and just tick the project browser and click to the properties panel. So your both properties panel and project browser is here. In properties panel, you can see the properties of that material you have chosen. Just I am choosing the wall here, so the properties of wall is shown here. You have to many types of wall. So just click any wall and go. Just set the height of wall to the level 2, okay, and click the wall here. So your wall is created, but in 3D this wall is also created. And if you want to see this in 3D and drafting view, means the plan view, so you can directly do this. Just go to the view tab and click on the tile view. So just see model, and if you click on architecture tab, then go to the wall again, and if you draw the wall here, so wall is created in 3D view also. And if you go to the door section and apply a door, then door is applied in the 3D view, and you can see it in the realistic view also. You can also see this in the realistic, and just for the complementary purpose, you can turn into the wireframe and go to the window. Just apply the window here. So in this video, these are the introduction of basic Revit interface and the tools. That is the architectural, these all architectural tool are here, structural, and this is the properties browser. Whatever you have selected, though the properties of that selected material or that selected tool is shown here, you can change the property, you can edit the property, you can alter the property. And this is the project browser. You can see the your project in 3D view. Label view means from where you want to see your project here. So this is the general basic interface of the Revit. In view, we can also draw the sections and elevations. User interface is here, that is you can customize your Revit as per your convenience. MEP fabrication, whatever you want to see on the in front of your screen, you can change it here. And this is also the shortcut for the 3D view, and walkthrough is here. Line type is